In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the stunning ghost mannequin effect for your clothing brand, and it's easier than you think. The tool we are using today is called Lovart. And no, this is not a sponsored video. Simply open your browser and head to Lovart.ai. Then create a free account. Once you are in, create a new project and upload your clothing image. Now on the right side panel, type this prompt. Invisible person effect, only the outfit and accessories remain visible. Then click the model icon, select Nano Banana Pro and hit create. Give it a few seconds and just like that, your ghost mannequin image is ready. I'm going to make the image size bigger. Now here is where the magic really happens. Scroll to the bottom of the right sidebar and click Video Generator. Select your video size and set the duration to 10 seconds. For the start frame, choose from canvas and select your image. Then choose your video model. Right now, the best one is Kling 3.0. Write a simple prompt describing the motion you want. Then hit start. Wait just a few seconds and there it is, a beautiful professional ghost mannequin effect video. Incredible, right? Want to take it even further? Click Video Generator again. Keep the same settings, but this time type 360-degree rotation animation. Hit start and once again Lovart delivers something amazing. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like. It really helps the channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.